This 2026 Jayco Pinnacle 39FLOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 41 feet 0 inches in length and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Pinnacle 39FLOK is 15,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.